Pella proved to be the best. The Pella window and door replacement sale is going on now. Call today for more information.
Don't just clean it, OxyClean it. You've got the power to clean all of them. Now you can get last Sunday, kids watch. Now the votes are in. You've decided who's going home and who's going home free.